So, good evening, everyone. Thank you for giving this opportunity to present our smart streetlight solution, which we have implemented in Pune city. So, the idea was to manage our energy consumption across the city, and also to replace our existing network of street lights, which are based on old technology, to with LED based technology. So with that thing in mind, the project has been initiated, and the key benefits that were envisaged were the improving the citizen safety levels that are currently there, and the energy consumption which we discussed, and also the reducing in the maintenance part of it. So in order to implement this in an effective manner, so the financial model identified was to have a PPP based solution, so that the entire financial budget will not be on the corporation or any government body, but it will be more on the agency that is supporting us in the implementation process. So the key challenges, like I mentioned, we had a existing a network of streetlights which are of high maintenance cost, and there is a lot of energy consumption. And with the guidelines from MAHUA and even sustainable guidelines in picture, our idea was to decrease the consumption load and also increase the efficiency levels, and thereby leading to more sustainable solutions. So we were having trouble monitoring the street lights, because they were generally maintained and controlled by the local ward officers. There is no central location where we can actually monitor how many of these street lights are operational at a given point in time, and what are the service level that are maintained. And that is one more challenge which was there, and also the obvious impact on the environment, through the traditional street lighting, we were consuming a lot of energy, and that was reduced with this initiative. So what we did was, we replaced the entire network of all the street lights that are there in the city with LED based street lights, and so around 93,300 street lights were replaced through in this initiative. And one more key outcome of this exercise has been that we were able to standardize all the hardware that is available for all these street lights. Earlier, what it used to happen, that there used to be local vendors catering to a single small area of the city, and the way their hardware would be different from from street lights in the other places, but we were able to bring in uniformity. And the idea behind this was to all the entire 93,000 street lights which are on the streets are connected to our feeder points which are there, and each of the street lights, like 10 to 15, are grouped together into one feeder point, and these feeder points are in turn connected to our SCADA system, which is hosted in our central command control center, which will help us to monitor them effectively. And the next thing was, we were exploring the option of having a PPP model that is implemented, and we have done that successfully. Through this initiative, our energy carbon footprint has reduced 6%, and we have seen so 58% reduction in the energy savings for the last 3 years consistently. In the first year itself, we were seeing a financial gain of around 10.4 CR, which was directly a cost saving for the electrical department of Pune Municipal Corporation. So that's one of the key outcomes that we were able to achieve. So looking into the technology a bit more, so as you can see, the original earlier lights were neon-based lights, which were consuming around 15,000 kilowatts of power per day. But with the replacement of the lights, now it has significantly come down. And what we were able to do is that we were able to bring in uniformity, like I mentioned earlier, and connect each of these smart lights to the central command control room, which was set up in our smart city office. So this has helped us to monitor them and maintain them. So in order to do this effectively, so we identified a partner who would work with us on PPP model and implement the project. All the streetlights in the jurisdiction of PMC were identified for this initiative, and they were done in a phased manner. The project is now currently complete, and all of them are converted. And also the fact that with this model, we were able to minimize the downtime that is there, and any in case of any failure, we were able to attend those and address them within 48 hours of receiving the complaint. So that's one more service parameter that we are meeting with this with the help of this project. Of course, while creating the blueprint, we have identified we have connected with all the stakeholders, and also we have developed a mobile application, and also a toll-free number is available for citizens to lodge their complaints related to any streetlights that are non-functional in their areas. So like I mentioned, we have seen a significant energy saving, which is around 58% of it. Okay, the future roadmap for us, that is, we have seen that the street light quality has improved significantly, and citizens have appreciated the fact that corporation is taking initiatives in the right direction, and we are able to get real-time data stream from the infrastructure that is there through our SCADA system, which eventually helps us to monitor and operate more effectively. And the point that wherever there are localities where there is very limited or less traffic, we can reduce the luminosity of the lights, which will help us in saving the power as well. So those are the trends that we are observing from the data, and we are able to implement directly through our central command center. Then of course we are looking to integrate this much more with our surveillance systems that are there, the CCTV network, and other data that is coming across. We are trying to correlate and prepare meaningful use cases with this. So that is one area that we are currently working on further. So these are some of the snapshots that you can see with the cities that are with the roads that are better lit after the implementation of the project. So we on the left side you will see the roads with earlier neon based lights. So most of them are yellow in color, and you will see the difference on the right side where LED lights are placed. So that is one thing that is visible. So this is our command control center, wherein we can monitor the operations on a regular basis. So we have a dedicated team working from 7 to 11 shift, morning 7 to evening 11 shift, where who will keep on monitoring the data that is coming to our from our feeder points, and take on necessary actions. And you can also see this is an aerial view which helps us to understand this. This is an old network, and this is the new network, and which has developed, and now these are also developed. So now everything is in white in color, but this was an image taken to show the difference that is there. Okay. So that's all, sir. Any queries or anything, please?
So you have selected Tata Projects as your successful bidder. Is there only one company in
Yes.
entire Pune, or some area with other company also?
No, sir. We have multiple agencies that are there.
Do you have only one
maintaining-
operator, or do you have multiple operators in Pune?
Earlier it was multiple, but then after the bid process, now it is only Tata maintaining the entire network.
Okay, and how Tata is recovering its initial expenditure?
Sir, so their model is that they
Is
will
it annuity based, or
the actually it is like the consumption that is there that we were about to incur during this 12-year period was calculated, and then based on that they came up with a financial model which is profitable to them, and also where there are significant savings for us, because if at all we implement this project with we don't implement the project and go with a normal consumption, we would be spending, let's say, X amount. But with LED and the actual energy consumption is lesser, so there are significant gains from the project itself. So that they are converting into capex and opex, and also their profitability is taken care, and also we are able to get some savings out of that.
No, initially the
Hello?
investment is made by Tata, the bidder. Okay.
Sorry.
Initially, entire investment was made by Tata Group or some other company. No issue. But how they are recovering their initial expenditure? Is it through annuity model or some? What is the arrangement?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you are not audible, sir. Sorry.
How the bidder is recovering its expenditure investment?
It's an escrow mode.
Sir, it's an escrow model. So through
Okay. And now I got it. I got my answer. Okay.
yes, sir. Okay.
I understand that. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So let's quickly move on to the next presentation.